Hi, welcome to another episode of shejeesvlogs. Today we are going to one of the beautiful cities, Leeds. Okay, Leeds is near the Manchester. Before I done the video regarding Manchester, so Leeds is also the nearest city. Okay, we can just enjoy together. Are you ready? Let's go. So please stay tuned with me. I'll be back with another wonderful travel vlogs as well. And also please like my video if you like it, and also support me by subscribing my channel as well. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you once again. Bye.